So we're lost, I think. Hey guys, what's up? We're moving. That's what's up. So we're at the storage where we have 2 storage rooms where we keep all our stuff that we're gonna move up to the new place. So we're gonna move a lot of boxes, and we're going to try to find some stuff in one of these million boxes. So wish me luck. You know what? Should we? Maybe. Ooh, I happen to bring this. Babyhawk. Alright, Babyhawk ready to go. Ooh, nice and clear. Let's hope we don't crash. You ready? Let's see if I don't get lost. Okay, first turn right. Woo. Almost crashed into the wall there. Yeah. Close to the roof. I'm supposed to turn right somewhere here. Oh, there we are. Oh, come on. Ooh. Without hitting the wall. Oof. There we are. Let's speed things up. Woo. Let's bust the tower. Okay, last round. Last lap. Around the corner. And another right. I'm actually kind of nervous. That was scary. Whew. All right, cool. High five. Well, that was fun and a bit scary, I have to admit that. So it's late. We're gonna head home, and maybe I'll even, I don't know, edit this into a video. And I actually think we're lost again. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We're gonna find our way out of here, I hope, and go home and have some ice cream. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!